coming back to hardware requirements and selecting the coverage browser, we will be taken to a view that lets us check how many of our requirements are covered with a test case already and what their statuses are. So if I hit on go, break it down, select the earphone output, for example, and these two requirements, I can instantly see that I have two test cases, and for one of them, I already have a test run, which is unfortunately a failed test run, but let's change that. And by selecting the earphone impedance test case, we will see how to do that exactly. So coming here, making a quick modification, question mark, here we see it instantly firing. Changes then can be reviewed and resolved by clearing or merging them in the desired direction. I can create a new downstream referring item with a few clicks, which is going to instantly appear in the downstream references section. For example, plus sign, selecting change request because maybe I want to add black and red colors too. Earphone spec update, add black and red, click on save, and there we have it. Navigating to an already existing one, such as the earphone impedance requirement, we can observe the item-based traceability, and this is going to let us know how this specific item connects to others on a larger scale.